Hi, it's Mark Organek coming at you again with Living Organic, Living Healthy. There are many different ways of living healthy, and one way is to have a financial situation that has a strong leg created by real estate ownership. I'm currently in the Sendas community located in the northeast part of Mesa, Arizona. This beautiful golf course community has a gorgeous rec center, tons of trails, mountain views. But the beauty that I found today is a 3,500 square foot home with 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, and one of the bedrooms and one of the baths are actually downstairs. What does that mean for you? It means that if you have the opportunity to have parents come live with you, they're not going to have to trek up and down stairs. It's got a 3-car garage, swimming pool, built-in barbecue area outside, and check this out, an outdoor gas fireplace. All of this is available for under $500,000, and it's just shy of 3,500 square feet. The price per square footage on this thing, under $140 a square foot. Now, what does that mean? Well, currently the Los Angeles market has price per square foot running at about $189 a square foot. On top of that, there are 77 homes on the market. 29 of them, 29 are under contract, leaving a very, very small supply of homes in this 3,500 acre community. What does that mean? It means that in the past 3 months, when we had 88 homes sell over the past 3 months, that's about 29 homes moving per month. If we only have 40 something homes left in Los Angeles to sell, we've got less than 1.5 months supply. The fact that we have 29 homes under contract and we've been averaging 29 homes per month shows that we're following the same pattern. In about a month and a half, all properties will be gone. So if you're a buyer, contact me, Mark Organek, eXp Realty, so I can get you into a home like the one that's currently selling for under $140 a square foot. If you're a seller, contact me so I can show you what you can do by providing a free room-by-room analysis to get you the most bang for your buck, so you're not selling a home below $150 a square foot when the market can clearly support $180 to $190 a square foot. So comment below, call me with questions, send me an email, mark@monopolyman, whatever you care to do. My name is Mark Organek with eXp Realty, and I'm here to serve your real estate needs. Thank you.